Okay, y'all. Today I'm just gonna show you a frame picture I transform. Okay, so it's gonna be quick and simple. And today's video is basically showing you, like, think outside the box. If you see something that you like but you can't afford, or you see something similar to what you like, think of a way to transform it into something that you like. So I'm into like older frames, and I have a weird style preference, I should say. I like old new mixtures mixed up. I don't know, yeah, I don't even know the technical name maybe for what I like. But I have something in my mind like, okay, I want this. 9 times out of 10, I'm not gonna find the exact. I have already transformed it in my head, so that's just how I think. Period. So without all this talking, I'm gonna just show you a piece that I took to the next level. Bam. And next time you're at the thrift store, any store that you see sell items, see if you can do the same. So, on to the next clip. Okay, guys, I have selected this. Y'all can see me in that thing. I have selected this frame as my first DIY. Y'all, I'm not trying to have the wildlife in my living room, so I will dispose of this picture inside, and I'm going to come up with something else. But the overall frame is really why I purchased this. I got this at Goodwill, and the price was, what did I say, $19.99, but I do believe green was the color of the day, so I got money off. I think it was only, how much? $19.99. So it was like only $9.99. Yeah, I know I'm not good with math, but anyway, come on. So I thought that was a good deal. This Jones is mad heavy. Let's look at the back. And then it already comes with a hanger, which hopefully I could take it off because I want it to go vertical, not horizontal. So I am going to take the picture out, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, I removed the brown paper. Booyah is over there. From the back of the picture. So with the problem, it was really not a problem, but you see how it's stapled to the frame. So I'm gonna have to remove all these doggone staples to remove and unscrew this Jones. We was already gonna have to do that from the back in order to get the freaking frame mess out. Well, the picture out, I should say. So that's about to be my fun time right now. So once I remove all the staples, take the Jones out, then I will be back. But I wanted to show you guys the whole process. Okay, guys, the picture, booyah, has been removed. It was not as hard as I thought. The glass is still intact. But all I had to do was bend the, the staples. And I didn't have to take them out. Sometimes your brain do work. Okay, sometimes my brain do work. Okay, thanks. Anyway, so that literally took me 5 seconds. So now that's make it even easier, because when I need to bend them, put the picture back, I don't gotta worry about no putting no staples in this Jones. So that's how the frame look now. I don't think I want the glass, to be honest with you. Let's see if I can hold it. Y'all see it. Y'all see the frame. Because I ain't trying to break stuff. So anyway, now I got to figure out what the heck kind of picture I'm going to replace it with. And then, so once I replace the picture, I'm just going to show y'all the finished item. But fun times are ahead. Okay, this is my paint setup. I really do like the gold, guys. I'm not gonna lie, but you already know I got to change it up to make it go with the rest of everything else. And then this is the paint we use. Focus. It's just primer. It's eggshell. I would prefer it to be a flat paint, but we don't have it. Right? I do not have it, so I'm going to use what I have, guys. Saving money and making home decor. Thanks. Okay, y'all, and this is the finished piece. You already know what I'm going to say. I love it. I think I did 2 coats, and I think I added, I spray painted it to make it more even foundation. But since it's an older piece, I'm like, it really didn't have to be perfected because I still wanted that shabby, chic, vintage feel to it too. So this is how it turned out. And also, this is a separate piece. I got at Hobby Lobby a long time ago. So I had already like visualized like that's how I wanted to just place that piece and then put the frame over it. You know, I think it's so cute. So that's it, guys. Thank y'all for watching today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.